Hello, everybody. What's going on? Joe here, 690 ADV, 690 Garage. Just out for a little afternoon ride. Checking it out. Little rant and ride. Hello. All right, today's topic. What is it about the moto candy? Moto candy. What do I like to call moto candy? I call moto candy. Sits right back here. We're going to get into it. We're going to talk about it on the Rant and Ride.
What happened? I woke up in a big old puddle of money. Hey, all you KTM guys, come on. I'm Team Warren. Don't think I'm coming down on you. I, on the other hand, and you on the other hand, and a lot of people on the other hand, so why don't we have a 450? As a competitor, do a lot of ice.
But here's my thing. Hey guys, Joe here, 690 ADV, 690 Garage. We're back. A little rant and ride action. Just riding around. It's getting dusky out. Just get a few things I want to talk about. Moto candy, man. Moto candy. Let's talk about those girls, man. The girls. And why they don't get any respect. What is up with that? You know, I always try to keep it as low-key as possible. I don't like to cuss on my channel and do things like that, and I'm not going to start now, and I don't plan on ever really starting. It's easy to cuss. I have a bad habit about it, so I work real hard on my channel to keep that low on that end, that spectrum. That's my deal. But you know, let's talk about those girls. Let's talk about those women, man. You know, who came up with that? If you ride on the back, you ride bitch. Anybody know? I do not know. And I sure would like for somebody to let me know. Because I don't know. If you're a guy and you need a ride and your buddy's got a bike, guess what? You're getting on the back, you're riding bitch. Now here's the deal. A real rider would rather walk than ride on the back. That's the deal. But here's my problem. My problem is it's called riding bitch. And that kind of really is a disrespect to the girls. Yeah, I think it's a total disrespect to the girls. I just think it's really kind of crappy. I am not for it. I just don't think it's cool. You know. And, you know, the thing is girls. Let's talk about girl riders, you know. Not if they ride on the back. Woo, 250! Yeah, she ain't got the 690, but she's fun. She's definitely fun. But back to what I'm talking about is the girls, you know. You call it riding bitch, you get on the back. When a girl rides, what do you call it? I mean, is it really riding bitch? I mean, it's I think it's kind of disrespectful. I think it's, you know, and you guys chuckle about it. You know, they laugh and all that good stuff, but it really is, it's a disrespectful thing to me, you know. My buddy's wife rides, and my wife is learning to ride, and this is her bike, and it's my son's bike. They share a bike, but I do love to ride it. So, but here's the deal. If women, when they ride, they don't quite get the respect that guy riders do. Am I wrong about this? Am I wrong? I need somebody to tell me, am I right or am I wrong? I personally think that women just do not get the respect that they should. And I don't like it when people ride up behind me like that. It makes me want to kung fu them. But anyway, you know, you see a girl, and you don't know it's a girl, and they pull up on a cool motorcycle, whether it be a sport bike, a dirt bike, or whatever. You know, it makes no difference. If it's a cool bike, make no mistake about it. If it's a cool bike, man, guys, you know, they'll give it the kudo. They'll sit there and give it the nod, you know. Heck, they might even be halfway on their way to actually going compliment until the helmet pops off, and then the hair falls out. And then, to me, it's like, hey, you know, it's a pretty sweet bike. I like that, you know. And it's like they don't quite give it. But you get a guy that pulls up, and it's a cool bike, It's like, what's up, bro, man? That's a really sweet bike. Do you like it? And I mean, and they'll want to talk for like 10 or 15 minutes. You know, but there are, I'm not saying all guys, I'm just saying most. And you know who you are. And it's a weird thing. It's like guys feel that this is their deal. Guess what, guys? It's a new world. It's a new age. Girls are coming. Better get ready for it. They've been growing leaps and bounds. And I tell you what, there are some sick riding girls out there. Girls that can just flat out ride. They can stomp and they can just flat get it. And I think it's cool, to be honest with you. And I'm gearing a lot of my stuff, hopefully, for, you know, new people and women and stuff, because women basically kind of feel left out in the cold, in my opinion. Because my wife asks all the time. She's like, you know what? How come all the gear for women, jackets, pants, boots, all that stuff, why is it made for Barbie? And you know what my answer to the question was? I don't know. I don't know. And it's like it's geared for these little tight models and all that stuff to ride on the back of the bike. And it's not, you know, because you see the real girl riders and they're not wearing that stuff. They're wearing black. They're wearing pants that fit right. They're wearing jackets that feel right. They've got nice helmets and stuff like that. They're not sitting there pinky and bright fuchsia and all that stuff, you know. You know, the real girl riders, they don't do that. So, back to what I'm talking about. Girl pulls up on a bike, and you don't know it's a girl. She basically rips the helmet off, cool bike, everything. You may give her a nod, you may not give her a nod. You're probably not going to do a whole lot of talking to her, at least from what I've seen. I've actually seen it, and I still see it to this day. But I tell you what, you pull up on your bike and a girl in a pair of those little cut boots, or she's got on a tight t-shirt, you know, and she's got on, you know, tight shorts and stuff, and she walks up to your bike, and I'll tell you what do you do? Hey, what's going on? You want to go for a ride on my bike? Hey, I got a helmet that I strap on the back, and I don't wear going 90 down the road. That was last week's rant. Funny, right? Anyway, so here's my thing is, why do they not get the respect? And I think they need to get the respect, because the girls are coming, guys. They're coming. And I think it's kind of cool. And they can ride, and it's really our duty, and I know I'm probably going to get a lot of negative stuff from people. I might get some comments. Heck, I may not get some comments. I don't really care either way. But to me, I just personally feel that the women are coming, and they can ride, and they want to ride. And it's really, I feel it's our duty as riders to the ones that don't know how to ride, help them. It's that simple. Just help them, you know? Just sit there and say, hey, you know, and don't make them feel all intimidated, you know? I mean, guess what? Everybody started somewhere, whether it was on a PW50 or a Honda 50 or I mean, God, there's so many different bikes that everybody started on, and you know, it was probably your dad or your uncle or something, and they helped you ride. And then there's that small few of people that had to teach themselves how to ride, and then they know how to ride. So, you know, but girls are intimidated about a lot of stuff. Even my wife, she hears me talk about tires and sprockets and top ends and all these different things, and she just doesn't even remotely understand what I'm talking about. So, what do? I slow it down, and I explain a lot of the stuff that it is, so it makes sense to her. And then that way, if she's got to go somewhere, like to a store, because when women go, and I've seen it, I mean, God, I've seen it at Cycle Gear, I've seen it at, you know, these little local mom and pop shops around here that sell like gear and stuff like that. And it's like they see a woman come and it's almost instant. We're going to take advantage of them. So it's nice to give that knowledge. And that's what my channel's about. I want everybody to understand that. That's what my channel's about. It's not just the guys. It's the girls. It's the kids. It's all of it. And we're going to have all sorts of stuff here to help everybody out. So that way, if you subscribe to my channel, and I want you to subscribe, click that button. Just go bow and click that button and subscribe, because we're going to have a lot of stuff. We're going to give you knowledge, and knowledge is king. I say it a million times. You know what? You don't know everything. Oh, that's another rant coming. Make no mistake, it's coming. So, guys, give the girls kudos. Let them know that there's somebody, and acknowledge them. You know what? It might make their day if you walk up and tell them how cool their stuff is and actually treat them like a person. I think it would make their day. Anyway, my name's Joe. Rant and Ride, 690 ADV, 690 Garage. I'm back. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe today, because we've got a lot of stuff coming. We've got our new stuff that's coming. It should be out anytime, and it's going to be 2 a week. It's basically tips in 2 minutes or less. 2 minutes or less, tips 2 minutes or less. Check it out. It's coming. There's going to be 2 a week, and it's just good, fun stuff that's going to help you and whoever, from newbies all the way to experienced riders. And like I said, be nice to the girls. Help them out. Girls rule, because without girls, it'd be pretty boring for us guys. Anyway, my name's Joe. Rant and Ride, 690 ADV, 690 Garage. Thanks for listening. You guys have a great day.